Hello friends and Jai Hind everyone. I am Arashi Solanki, AFCAT All India Rank 28, back again with all of you with another interesting topic, that is India and Maldives relation. Now, yesterday we read and discussed about China and US relation, and we got to know that US and China relationships are also always like this. Alright, whether it is of trade or whether it is of any treaty, they are always kind of a controversial relation. But today we will read about India's relationship with Maldives. And Maldives और इंडिया का relationship is always like that of best friends. Okay, तो let's begin. As you know that we always start with a current event. So this time's current event is in August 2022, the President of Maldives, Ibrahim Soli, visited India. During the visit, he mentioned that Maldives will always maintain the India First policy. So during the recent visit of Ibrahim Soli to India, he mentioned that he will always keep that India First policy. What does that mean? That whenever India will need Maldives' help, they will always be there to help us. So isn't that what a best friend does? Okay, moving ahead. India and Maldives are neighbors. Okay, that we all know that India and Maldives are neighbors, and Maldives का majority जो tourism है वो Indian से boost होता है. So whenever Indians have to go to a vacation or an international trip, the first option is always Maldives only. So India and Maldives are neighbors. Since the Maldives gained independence from the British, तो भाई ऐसा होता है ना कि हमें भी ब्रिटिशर्स से आज़ादी मिली, मालदीव्स को भी ब्रिटिशर्स से आज़ादी मिली, तो हम लोग भाई भाई बन गए क्योंकि हमें परेशान करने वाले जो थे वो सेम ही थे. ओके, तो फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश इन 1965 India and Maldives have been maintaining good relations. So just after Maldives gained independence from the British, India has been maintaining very good relationship with Maldives. Now second point, India helped the Maldives in several crisis situations such as 1988 coup attempt, 2004 tsunami, 2014 water crisis and recently during the COVID pandemic. तो जैसे कि मालदीव्स ने इंडिया को प्रॉमिस किया है कि इंडिया फर्स्ट स्ट्रैटेजी हम हमेशा रखेंगे, वैसे ही इंडिया ने भी एक बहुत अच्छे दोस्त होने का सबूत दिया इन so many problems that Maldives faced. For example, tsunami, the coup attempt, the recent COVID crisis. All right. The food security of Maldives is achieved through imports from India. तो इंडिया के import से ही मालदीव्स को food security भी मिलती है. Moving ahead. अब इंडिया और क्या क्या करता है मालदीव्स के लिए? इंडिया इज इन्वेस्टिंग इन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट्स इन द मालदीव्स. ठीक है, तो हम जो है हम मालदीव्स में इन्वेस्ट भी कर रहे हैं. Both the countries are helping each other in fighting against drug trafficking and terrorism. So both the countries are together, in fighting terrorism and drug trafficking. Another point, economy of Maldives is heavily dependent on fisheries and tourism. As India and Maldives share friendly relations, Maldives has been one of the main tourist attractions. So as I talked about that whenever Indians have to escape to some international trip, सबसे पहला ऑप्शन हमेशा हम लोगों के पास मालदीव्स ही होता है. तो we are the main reason of boosting Maldives economy via the tourism sector. Moving ahead to the last topic of this lecture, that is conclusion क्या है. तो हमने ये देखा कि मालदीव्स भी इंडिया को हमेशा सपोर्ट करता है और इंडिया ने तो मालदीव्स को हमेशा सपोर्ट ही किया है. भले ही वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हो, भले ही वो सुनामी हो, भले ही वो कोई सा कूप अटैक हो, भले ही वो कोविड क्राइसिस हो, कुछ भी हो, इवन इन बूस्टिंग द इकोनॉमी इंडिया हैज़ ऑलवेज हेल्प मालदीव्स. नाउ कंक्लूजन में, India and the Maldives have been maintaining good relations since the Maldives gained independence from the British, and that was in 1965. Even though a few disturbances came during Abdullah Yamin's term, now both countries have a mutually beneficial relationship. तो अब्दुल्ला यामीन जब बीच में आए थे मालदीव्स में, उस टाइम थोड़ी सी तकरार हुई थी इंडिया और मालदीव्स के बीच में, बट वो भी अब रिजॉल्व है. ठीक है. The recent agreements between India and the Maldives will further strengthen the bilateral relation. तो अभी जो recent agreement हुआ है इंडिया फर्स्ट वाला, तो उसके थ्रू इंडिया और मालदीव की जो फ्रेंडशिप है वो और ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथन होगी. तो दैट वाज ऑल फॉर टुडे in which we discuss about India and Maldives relation. ऑल राइट, सो एज वी डिसाइडेड दैट हम सारे लेक्चर टॉपिक कवर करेंगे, तो वी विल ऑल्सो बी कवरिंग इंडियाज रिलेशन विद ऑल द कंट्रीज. So be updated on this channel, like this video and subscribe the channel. Jai Hind and be connected. Thank you everyone.